Here's the Encoder Boss, which is our new digital camera encoder that is patented, has no moving parts, has a little slot there that you put the ribbon through, and that allows the camera to read the ribbon. This is grosgrain ribbon, has a nice texture that is read easily by the digital camera. You feed it through the slot. Encoder mounts with a bracket to the underside of your Falcon frame top carriage. You mount a little eyelet to the back side in line with the existing holes. Zip tie your ribbon to it. This is just too easy. And then in front you have another eyelet and you zip tie your ribbon in there. It's not pulled really tight. It's okay to be flexed. It's okay to be turned. It's very reliable. As your carriage turns and rolls, the ribbon goes through the encoder. The camera reads your position. And now you have an encoder that's reliable. Doesn't have a wheel. Doesn't have moving parts. Doesn't read the track. You don't have to be cleaning the track all the time. We just have a ribbon here that is read by the encoder. Now there's another encoder. It mounts to the front of your Falcon frame. There's literally some permanent tape there that will attach it. Then you run your ribbon down your left and right full extent of your frame. And then using the two supplied eyelets, you screw those into the left and right side of your frame, zip tie them in place, and voila, you have reliable encoders for an amazing price. Give us a call, eclipsequilting.com.